Thank you guys so much for agreeing to meet with us. I know that WORBLI has been a hot topic around the community, and you guys have a lot going on right now. So if you don't mind, Sam or whomever, give us just a couple-minute overview for those that don't know or are not familiar with WORBLI as to what it is you guys are all about.
We want to be able to provide a bank account where you can hold all of your different fiats that you hold, you know, US dollars, euros, pounds, whatever it is. Why can't we have it all in one account? And why can't we have all our crypto in one account and then combine them? And then Bob's your uncle, you've got like the perfect bank account. We had this amazing idea to build this, and we were exploring, you know, banking licenses, buying a bank in the US, buying, you know, getting the triple S licenses and financial licenses. Then it came down to, okay, well, what are we going to build it on? Because we can't build it on EOS, we can't build it on any of these other networks, because building a financial institution, you need to be regulated. We literally realized that we can't build the bank without the network, so we've ended up building the network. And it's kind of it's really snowballed into, you know, we've done, obviously we're using EOS.io code, which is, I think, fundamentally brilliant. You know, whether or not, you know, there's so many differing opinions about mainnet and how it's operated, but it's interesting. I think it's a healthy discussion because it enables continuous improvement. And I think WORBLI in a really interesting position because they can actually take advantage of recommendations to improve. And we feel that this is by far the most appeasing way for big business to leverage the blockchain, is by providing them with certainty around people's identification. We've got KYC AML built in at the user level. So that means everyone who uses the WORBLI network, they can verify their accounts. Obviously, if you are unverified, you can still use the WORBLI network, but there's a portion of tokens in the ShareDrop which are allocated towards doing your KYC AML. So we are incentivizing people to do it. And again, it's up to that person whether they want to do it or not.
But for the standard end user like myself, how would I interact with WORBLI? What's going to be my user interface, or is it for businesses and not individuals?
Yeah, good. No, I think it's a nice question. Just imagine as if you're logging into WORBLI. So you're signing up with WORBLI. You're creating your account. You're using your EOS public key, so we can link your EOS balance on the snapshot with, you know, what you're going to be getting for your WORBLI ShareDrop. Within that portal, there's going to be wallets, there's going to be applications, there's going to be media, there's going to be maybe application reviews, there's going to be features on block producers. At the moment, it's going to be a web app. This will be a mobile application in the future. But you're going to be able to log in, download applications. You're going to be able to do your KYC verification through the application. You're going to be able to set up your settings and financial preferences. Where the benefit comes, think about this, is if you've got an app clay and you've got, let's just say you've got a really solid wallet, you bring it onto WORBLI, remember that everyone is KYC'd and verified at account level. From a data kind of sharing perspective, it's not publicly available, but that app will see that you're verified, which will give them more certainty. You're basically a user already logged in, you just haven't downloaded the app. So we've actually removed another barrier to entry of customer acquisition. And I'm a marketer by background, so this is what I do. Value exchange marketing is my thing, and with the incentivization model that crypto is providing, and blockchain is providing, it's literally it's my kind of dream scenario.
I was reading your white paper and about the different block producers that you guys are going to have. How are the block producers going to be appointed, based on what kind of criteria?
So we've got 21 block producers launching the network. There's been a process we've gone through with every single one, and it's learning about their ethos, their philosophies, their skill sets, what they want to bring to the chain, understanding what WORBLI can do in detail, functions, capabilities, but also what our philosophy is. I think there needs to be an alignment of these values for us to work in harmony. we're in it for the right reasons. And whilst we are a centralized chain, with a semi-centralized process, and we're not going to try and hide things, we are selecting our block producers based on merit and based on philosophy, because we feel if we can breed this amazing network of block producers who are all incentivized to work together, imagine we could build one amazing wallet between 21 teams, rather than 21 wallets with varying capabilities. Imagine the things that people can create when they're working together. And it's not a complaint to mainnet, it's just a different way of approaching getting from A to B.
I'll be putting out a video very soon, because I know you guys have a lot going on, and I want to get this word out quick.
If you guys have any new developments or anything and you want to get it out there, we would really like to get together with you guys again.
You can do that, but just caveat that it was very early in the morning if you're using my face on camera. And also my t-shirt, you know, it's all over the place, Christ.